Good morning, guys. We're gonna take the 310 out today. It's a beautiful morning. Got a little Super Cub, Carbon Cub, my bad. We're gonna take the plane out today. It's probably gonna be last time for probably about 2 or 3 weeks. Me and my wife are expecting our boy May 8th, new boy, May 8th. And so I'm gonna be preoccupied, but then we'll get back to making some videos. Let's get this going. Blair.
Okay, you ready? Yep. Alright, fuel switcher. Got a mixture, some more to get on. And Perry traffic, Twin Cessna 310 Mike Kilo is taking you active runway 36. It's going to be a left crosswind departure, Perry traffic. Oh, it looks clear. Little old man standing outside. Huh? There's Fort Rich. Hello. The little old man's watching you. Yeah. Everything looks good. Ooh, feel that power. Yeah. The glove box came open. And Perry traffic, 2690 Mike Kilos, upline runway 36 Perry traffic. And Perry traffic, 2690 Mike Kilos, turn left crosswind, runway 36 Perry traffic. Fuel pumps off one at a time. A little hazy this morning, ain't it? Yeah, just a little bit. And Perry traffic, 20 Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, park pattern to the southwest. Perry. And good morning, land approach 20 Cessna 310 Mike Kilos with you just off of Perry, Houston County, looking for a VFR flight following if you have the time.
Number 0 Mike Kilo, absolutely. Say again your type of aircraft and destination. Making altimeter 3013.
3013, and we are a type Cessna 310, and we're going to be going to Echo Uniform Foxtrot, and then to Papa Zulu Delta, then returning back to Perry.
Number 0 Mike Kilo, squad 0143.
0143 for 0 Mike Kilo.
Number 0 Mike Kilo, radar contact 3 miles west of Perry Airport, leaving 3,600. Mike Kilo, be advised the restricted airspace 3002 is active today.
All right, we copy the restricted area is active and will remain clear of it for 0 Mike Kilo. All right, we're switching over to 124.2 for 0 Mike Kilo. And good morning, Atlanta. Twin Cessna 0 Mike Kilo checking in. May have handed me off a little too early. Hey, Atlanta approach 20 Cessna 310 Mike Kilo checking in.
20 Cessna 0 Mike Kilo, making altimeter 3013.
3013 for 0 Mike Kilo. Okay, we're back en route to Perry, doing 181 knots across the ground with 21 inches of manifold pressure, 2,300 RPMs, and we're indicating about 150 and burning about 11.9, 12 gallons per side, which ain't super leaned out.
38 Yankee, roger.
And what's that supposed to do?
I don't know. People are talking about shock cooling. That's what they do with the big Ram engines. But I don't know if it really applies to mine. But
Nobody answered you?
yeah, I'm just experimenting. Just doing the 1 inch per minute. We started down at.
But then what are you supposed to descend at? Do they say?
You just descend at your normal rate, but you're going to be going a lot faster. So you want to plan your descent, start out further out.
Well, what's your normal descent?
My normal descent?
Yeah, 500, 800?
Anywhere between 500 and 800 feet a minute. Like right now it's showing 775 descent rate, and I'm doing about 800 feet a minute. Yeah, we're showing a ground speed of 201 now.
I was going to say, you didn't.
Yeah, which I've never experimented with this, so I should have started further out. But I mean, still it's showing we'll be in the pattern altitude at 775 feet a minute, so it's not too bad, the descent rate. Versus gaining the speed coming down too. So.
I know the Cardinal used to do, what, 500?
Yeah, between 500 and 700 feet a minute.
Oh, you would?
Yeah, because any more, it felt like you were nose diving because it was going slow.
2 Zulu. Weather, wind 310 at 6. Visibility 10 clear. Below 12,000. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 13. Altimeter 3015.
Alright, still using 3.6.
I mean, that manifold pressure thing, if it's good for big bore, I don't see why it wouldn't be good for this. You
Yeah,
know?
but a lot of people say there's no such thing as shock cooling, and then other people say there is, and I don't know. I mean, where they say shock cooling happens is whenever you're up high and you make a rapid manifold pressure change, and then you push your mixtures up. So, because you're dropping the amount of power you're using and then dumping a bunch of fuel into it, and then that's what's cracking the tops of the cylinder between the spark plug and fuel injector.
Really? Now, what do they consider high, you know, as far as altitude? Are they talking, you know, 16 to 20,000 feet, or are they?
Oh, probably going from just any altitude. I mean, because up there it was probably 40 degrees.
Yeah.
And then if you just dump cold fuel to it,
Yeah.
and drop the manifold pressure, I mean, you're taking a lot of heat away from the engine, and that's why everything has green arcs, and they want you to keep in it. And just like this right here, it doesn't want you to go below a certain manifold pressure anyways. Which it actually worked out pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, it did.
I'm down to 18 inches, and I'm about to richen up my mixtures just a tad bit because we're getting high on the EGTs. That means we're getting too lean. Go about 100 degrees. You'll probably see the cylinder head temps drop a little bit.
Yeah, they're right there around 300.
Mike Kilo, no traffic observed. Radar service terminated. Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved.
All right, we're squawking 1200 and frequency change approved for 0 Mike Kilo. Thanks for service. Y'all have a good one.
Yes, sir. November 396.
Hey, Perry traffic, 20 Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, left downwind, 36 Perry traffic. Yeah, I got some good upper level winds because we're actually crabbing sideways. Hey, Perry traffic, 20 Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, turn left base runway 36 Perry traffic. Fuel pumps are on low. Extras props.
I think your mirror is bigger than mine because I can see the landing gear a lot better on yours is bigger. We need to get a bigger mirror for over here. Need to measure that one.
And Perry traffic, 20 Cessna 0 Mike Kilos, turn final runway 36, full stop, Perry traffic.
And it's trying to push you outwards.
Yeah. Oh. Overshot a little bit. Yeah, the wind's pushing.
Yeah,
I mean,
it is.
It's strong up above the tree line.
Pushing you.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why them little airplanes ain't flying.
Yeah. Green line, fuel pumps, props. Oh, that was a crappy landing.
It sure was.
Man.
But I guess it's still together, so that's a good landing.
Uh-huh.
You hard on the brakes, boy.
Nah, that ain't hard. I can sure enough stop it if I wanted to. And Perry traffic, 21 Cessna 0 Mike Kilo is clear, runway 36, and we're taxiing to the hangars. Perry traffic. Alright, we're clear. Fuel pumps off. Flaps coming up. Taxi light coming off. Planed out to 4. Trim is reset. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for riding along. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe. And like I said, I'm going to be gone for probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Because we're having a little baby boy, so I'll have a co-pilot. Yay! Everyone's excited. All right. Thanks for riding. Y'all be safe.